What's up, guys? I got something a little different for you today. We're working on the KLX 250 and we're installing a new FMF Q4 exhaust. I'm going to give you guys a little before and after on the sound. Old exhaust disassembled. It was literally like 3 bolts and the O2 sensor, and you can see it down there, and we're going to put the new one on. Check back with you shortly. Alright guys, that's what we got as a final product. It looks pretty decent. Let's see how it sounds first start. Alright guys, let's go for round 2. I did not have the mid pipe sealed like I should have, and it was making all kinds of rackets, so I sealed it up a little bit better. Let's see what happens. Now that sounds a lot better. Alright guys, I just had to fire it up one more time. Alright. By the way, there is a silencer in it, so this can go louder, but it's pretty damn loud as it is.